All right, here's two ways you can fix the issue where your Android phone is not getting text messages that were sent from an iPhone. This usually happens when you've switched from iPhone to Android and you've kept the same phone number. Because that phone number used to belong to an iPhone, Apple's servers think it should be receiving those blue bubble iMessages, and it's still trying to deliver messages using that protocol. Because you're on Android now, messages coming from the iMessage server simply don't work. There's two ways to fix this, either with or without your old iPhone. If you have the old iPhone and you're able to put your SIM card back in it, you can use your iPhone settings to sort of deregister your number from iMessages. You'll go to Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps, and from the App menu, find Messages. Once you're in the Messages menu, you'll scroll down and toggle off iMessage. It helps to do the same thing for FaceTime as well. Find FaceTime from the Apps list, and then simply toggle FaceTime off. If you don't have your old iPhone, you can do this online with your new Android phone or any other device. If you go on Google and search for Self-Solve Apple Deregister iMessage, you'll find a page that allows you to deregister and turn off iMessage. It'll first suggest the same steps I just showed you, in case you still have your iPhone. But if not, you can scroll down and enter your phone number to get it deregistered. You'll just type in the number and follow the steps here, and Apple will remotely disconnect your number from the iMessage network. If you have existing group chats using iMessage, those sometimes still get stuck. You'll need to ask your group to delete the old group and start a new one for messages to work properly. Basically, starting a new group chat forces the iPhones to recheck if your number is still using iMessage or not. That's all. Hope that helps. Click that like button if this helped you and subscribe for more guides like this.